discussed about deep learning based attack detection for cyber physical system cyber security a survey. Then we are going to see about the overview of our project. So this is the abstract of our project. With the booming of cyber attacks and cyber criminals against cyber physical systems, detecting these attacks remain challenging. The main objective of our project is to detect the cyber attacks by using deep and machine learning algorithms. Intrusion detection is one of the important security problems in today's cyber world. A significant number of techniques have been developed which are based on machine learning approaches. So for identifying the intrusion or attacks is present in networks, we have designed the machine learning algorithms. In the system, UNSW NB15 dataset was taken from dataset repository. This dataset which is repressed in our base paper. Then we have to implement the different classification algorithms like machine learning and deep learning, such as logistic regression and LSTM, for identifying or detecting the cyber attacks in networks. Finally, the experimental result shows that the accuracy of both algorithm and compare the both algorithms based on accuracy. So this is the overview of our project. Then flow diagram. This is the flow of our project. Here we are used UNSW NB15 dataset, which is taken from some dataset repository like Kaggle, GitHub, UZI repository and so on. After that, the selected input data are carried out to pre-processing step. Here we have to check missing values. Check missing values means in your data set, if we have any missing values, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros or else ignore that. Why we are checking missing values means for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we have to convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. The pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we are splitting the whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. The splitted data are carried out to feature extraction module. Here we are extract the features from splitted data by using PCA. The abbreviated of PCA is principal component analysis. The extracted features are carried out to classification module. Here we are implemented two different classification algorithms like LSTM, long short term memory for deep learning, and logistic regression for machine learning algorithm. So with the help of this algorithm, we are identified, or we are detect the cyber attacks or non-cyber attacks in networks. Finally, we are estimated performance analysis like accuracy. So accuracy, in a sense, it is the overall prediction, how our model is accurately predict in terms of percentage. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about the demo of your project. This is the data selection module. So here we are displayed some sample of input data from our data set. Then handling missing values. So the zero means there is no missing values. So in every column we have to check any missing values is present in our data set. So the zero indicates there is no missing values in corresponding columns. Then label encoding. So before label encoding, our data contains the string value. So the purpose of label encoding to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the result for after label encoding. Then data splitting, so this is the total number of data which is present in our data set. After splitting your data set into test and train, so this is the total number of data is present in testing portion. This is the total number of data is which is present in training portions. Then we have to implement the feature extraction module. Here we are implemented PCA. So the original features is 44. So after extract the features from our data set, so the reduced features is 40. Here we are implemented LSTM and logistic regression. So this is the result for LSTM algorithm, so 97%, and it is the result for logistic regression 88%. Then prediction, so here we have to predict either it is attack or normal, I mean it is a cyber attack or normal. So we are taken 15 test data. So the first test data is attack, so likewise this is normal. Okay, so we are taken only 15 test data. Then comparison graph between LSTM and logistic regression based on accuracy. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.